If you're trying to log out of X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few seconds. Whether you're using X on desktop or just need to switch accounts, logging out is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner of the page. You should see your profile picture there. This is the account menu area, and it's where X keeps the sign-out option. Now click on your profile picture. When you do that, a small pop-up menu will appear on the screen. In that menu, you'll see several account-related options, including the one you need. From the pop-up menu, click Log Out. X will immediately sign you out of the account on that device. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully logged out of X or Twitter in just a couple of clicks. If you're planning to use another account, you can sign back in anytime. And if you were looking for a way to keep your account secure, logging out after use is always a smart habit, especially on shared or public devices. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.